Like I was saying, like the more I step in the light of things, I'll know that God is with me. And if I do step in the light pertaining to what I was saying, especially when it comes to not just through all the efforts and characteristics of my own life, but to know how I can step in that light. Sometimes it's not easy. Sometimes there's always sugarcoating this thing, that thing, and so on. But if I pick up my cross and I depend on Jesus, then I'll be able to come to that conclusion. I'll be able to work things out, not just through my own strength, not just through my own willpower, but to know that God is with me, and to know that when I am being far-fetched in my own sin, God is with me. And it's not like He's not, He is. So sometimes when I don't know what I do, especially with all the tendencies in my own life, I have to put myself in the shoes of Jesus and to say, if I pick up my cross and depend on Him, I will be able to get through things. Sometimes there's always one thing after another. But if I depend on Jesus and pick up my cross and come to Him, because He is the author and the finisher of my faith, then I will know the outcome of it. I will know the spectrum of it. I will know the power of it. I will know the authority of it and how to work it out. Not just through what I do, but also with what it says in the Bible, that if I confess and I proclaim that He is Lord over my life. And I don't have to be alone. Because God does say that if I nip things in the bud, through His glory will be revealed in me and through me. But if I'm being too much on what the case may be, and if I glorify myself, that's nothing. I have to depend on Jesus no matter what I do. Because if I depend on Jesus, I know that I can get through it with His love and grace. Not just with me hitting on girls, not just being things I'm not being too direct